Namaste student, Khushro Bitia. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about Customer Redressal System. In this subject, our topic is explain how to handle customer service concern. So let's start. How to handle customer complaints. At some stage, your business is likely to receive a customer complaints. Dealing with it in a positive and constructive manner will help to keep your customers. In general, customers who are unhappy with your product or service will not complain to you, but they will complain to others and take their business elsewhere. Managing customer complaints and resolving them quickly will result in improved business process and repeat business. Complaint handling policy. Develop a complaint handling policy. It should include reassuring customers that you have value their feedback and you are committed to resolving their issue in a fair, timely and efficient manner. It should also explain how customer can make a format complaints. Identify the step you will take in discussing, addressing and resolving complaints. Indicate some of the solutions you offer to resolve complaints. Inform customers about your commitment to continuous improvement. Complaint handling process. Once you have developed a policy, you can create a procedure for handling complaints. A procedure will ensure complaints are dealt with the same way every time. The procedure should be easy to understand and follow by all your staff. Your procedure could include the following steps. First one is listen to the complaint. Thank the customer for bringing the matter to your attention. Apologize and accept ownership. Don't blame others and remain courteous. Second, record detail of the complaints. Go through the complaint in detail so you can understand exactly what is the problem. Keep record of all complaints in one central place or register. This is help you identify any trend or issues. Third is get all the facts. Check that you have understood and record the detail of the complaint correctly. Ask question if necessary. Next is discuss option for fixing the problem. Ask the customer what response they are seeking. It could be a repair, replacement, refund or apology. Decide if the request is reasonable. Next is act quickly. Aim to resolve the complaints quickly. If you take a long time, they tend to escalate. Next is keep your promise. Keep the customer informed. If there are any delay in resolving the request, don't promise things that you cannot deliver. Next is follow up. Contact the customer to find out if they were satisfied with how their complaints was handled. Let them know what you are doing to avoid the problem in the future. Make sure your staff are trained to follow your procedure when handling complaints and that they have the power to resolve issues as quickly as possible. Encourage your customer to provide feedback and complaints so that they let you know when there is a problem and give you the opportunity to resolve it. So, if you provide goods and services to customer, you need to be familiar with your obligations and right under the Competition and Consumer Act 2010. So, how to handle customer service? There are some procedure. In first, listen to the complaint, record detail to the complaint, get all the fact, discuss option for fixing the problem, act quickly, keep your promises, follow up. So, in this session, important question asked in the examination: explain how to handle customer service concerns. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In this session, you have any questions, any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.